Doctor, please teach me murmurs.
Why not? First learn the location of valves by this mnemonic. Aptum.
Aptum.
Yes, APTM. Remember the sequence: aortic, pulmonary, tricuspid, mitral, aptum.
Yeah, doctor, you are a hell idiot. Duffer again, you started making mess. Please simplify it in 1 minute time. I have to solve MCQ.
आस पास तेरा मेरा system.
What आस पास तेरा मेरा system?
As AS aortic stenosis, Pas PS pulmonary stenosis, Tera TR tricuspid regurgitation, Mera Mr. mitral regurgitation, system systolic, AS, PS, TR, Mr. Asystolic murmur, rest all are diastolic murmur.
Miss is sad. Miss represents mitral stenosis. Sad is stenosis of AV valves. Tricuspid will give diastolic murmur.
Why Miss is sad?
Cause Miss went AR. PR aortic regurgitation and pulmonary regurgitation has diastolic murmur.
Very good. Aas paas tera mera system, Miss is sad because of our par.
Please like our video if you understood.